Alright, we'll be looking at time measure 1, which is addition. Before this, we've looked at relating time measure together. Now you have day, you have hours, you have minutes. This is 3 days, 16 hours, 36 minutes, and then you add it to 4 days, 19 hours, 35 minutes. Now remember to rule. Now I said 36 plus 35. 36 plus 35 is 71. I'm not writing it here because I'm being restricted by hour. Remember, 60 minutes make an hour, so I cannot write anything bigger than 60 here. 60 minutes make an hour. So since I have 71, I want to know how many 60s I'll get into 71. That will be 1, and it will remain 11. So I'll write 11 here and carry 1 to this place. Okay? So I have 1 plus 16 plus 19, and that will give you 36. I cannot write 36 here because I'm being restricted by day. Remember, 24 hours make 1 day, so I can't have more than 24 hours here. So I look for how many 24 can I get in 36? 1, and I'll be left with 12. So I write 12 here and then 1. So I carry my 1 to this place. 1 plus 3 plus 4 is 8. This time I'm not being restricted, so I'll just write my answer. So my answer is 8 days, 12 hours, 11 minutes. Thank you. Now we'll be looking at time measure 2 today. We have weeks, days, hours, and minutes. Remember, 60 minutes make an hour, and 24 hours make 1 day, and then 7 days make 1 week. So 15 minus 28 is not possible. So I need to increase my 15 by borrowing 1 here, then I'll be left with 11. Okay, now if I borrow 1 hour here, it comes here to become 60. So 60 add to 15 to give you 75. So I now say 75 minus 28. Okay, so I borrow 1 here, 15 minus 8, that's 7. Then this 6 minus 2, that's 4. So 75 minus 28 is 47. Now I'm left with 11 here, and this 20. 11 minus 20 is not possible. I borrow 1 from 4, and I'm left with 3. Now, since I borrow 1 day, if it comes here, it becomes 24 hours. So 24 hours come to 11 to give you 35. So I have 35 hours minus 20, and that will give me 15. Now, 3 minus 6 is not possible, so I'm going to borrow 1 week from here. So 1 week from 8 is 7. And then I bring 1 week down to days to give you 7 days. 7 days make 1 week. So I add my 7 here to give me 10. And 10 minus 6 is 4. And then 7 minus 2 is 5. So my answer is 5 weeks, 4 days, 15 hours, 47 minutes. Thank you. Okay, this time we'll be looking at time measure 3 today, and we have hours, minutes, and seconds. Remember, 60 seconds make 1 minute, 60 minutes make 1 hour, and then hour has nobody dictating to it. So we have 5 times 19. 5 times 19 seconds is going to give us 95. Okay, I did not write it here because we must not have more than 60, because we have 60 seconds make 1 minute. Okay, so we say how many 60 can we get in 95? We have 1, remainder 35. So I'm going to have 35 here, and then I carry my 1 to this place. Then 5 times 47. 5 times 7 is 35 plus 1, 36. Carry 3. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. Okay, so remember, 60 minutes make 1 hour. So how many 60s can I get here? I can get 3 60s. 360 will give me 180. So 236 from 180. I'm going to get 6 here and 5 here. That's 56. So remainder 56. So 60 into 263 is 3, remainder 56. Okay, so I write my 56 here, then I carry 3. Then 5 times 9 is 45. 45 plus 3 is 48. So my answer is 48 hours, 56 minutes, 35 seconds. Thank you. Today we'll be looking at time measure 4. We have week, days, and hour. Remember, 24 hours make 1 day, and 7 days make 1 week. That we find in time measure. All right, now we treat each one separately. So we have 12 divided by 5. So 5 into 12 will be 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Subtract, and I have 2. So I'm left with 2. Then the next one will be coming to day. But since this remainder, will bring the remainder to day. And 2 weeks coming to day will give me how many? 14 days. 2 weeks is 14 days. So I add it here. So I have 18. So now I'm treating 18 days instead of 4. So I have 5 into 18. So how many 5 can I get to 18? That will be 3. 5 times 3 is 15. So if I subtract that, I have 3 left. Okay, then I bring my 3 days down to hours. How many hours make 3 days? 24 hours make 1 day. So 72 hours will give you 3 days. And that will give you 75. Now I'm treating 75 divided by 5. So 5 into 7 first is 1. 5 times 1 is 5. I'm left with 2. And then I bring down my 5. 5 into 25 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. And that is 0. So my answer is 2 weeks, 3 days, 15 hours. Thank you.